Today, we're going to dive into a really clever system for getting a handle on English. And believe it or not, it all starts by looking at the hidden power inside just one single simple word.
So let me just start by asking you a question. When you think about really communicating, getting your point across in English, how many words do you actually need? A few thousand? Maybe 10,000? Well, the answer is probably not what you're thinking, and it might just surprise you.
You ready for this? The number is 850. Just 850. And no, I didn't just pull that number out of a hat. It's actually the heart of a system called Basic English, which was designed to be a bridge for clear communication all around the world.
So, what exactly is Basic English? Well, first off, it's not baby talk or anything like that. A better way to think about it is like a super efficient starter kit. It's a hand-picked collection of words that are powerful enough to express some pretty complex ideas. And as we're about to see, the word we're focusing on today is a star player right from this list. Okay, so let's put this whole idea to the test. The real magic of Basic English isn't just that the list is short. No, it's about how much heavy lifting each one of these words can do. So let's see this in action. We're going to zoom in on just one word from that list of 850. And that word is train. Yeah, I know. Train sounds pretty simple, right? Maybe even a little boring. But trust me, this one word is like the secret key to unlocking the entire powerful idea behind Basic English. So you're probably wondering, how can one little word pack such a punch? Well, let's break it down. We're going to deconstruct train and see exactly why it's such an incredible tool for communication. So check this out. This one word has two totally different faces. On the one hand, it's a noun, a physical thing, a long vehicle chugging along on a track. But then you flip it around, and it's also a verb, a totally abstract action, the whole idea of teaching or learning a skill. So here's the noun in action. You might say something like, I took the train from Paris to Frankfurt. Super simple, right? It's concrete. You can picture it in your head immediately. And now, for the verb, in school, we had computer training. See that? It's the same exact word, but now it's all about learning something new, gaining a skill. It's a completely different idea, but that one little word is doing all the work. And what's really cool is that train is a truly global word. I mean, the fact that our source points out distinct pronunciations for the UK, the US, and Australia, that just shows you it's a fundamental part of English, no matter where in the world you're speaking it. Okay, so let's zoom back out and tie this all together. What does our little case study on the word train really show us? Well, it reveals the core idea behind the entire Basic English system. It's all about the true power of simplicity. So here's the big takeaway, the thing I really want you to remember. You don't need a dictionary-sized vocabulary to communicate well. What you need is a small toolbox of really powerful, multi-purpose words. Just think about it. Train covers both physical travel and mental development. That is efficiency in action. And really, that's the heart of it all. Using fewer words isn't a weakness. It's not a limitation. It's actually a superpower. It's a tool that unlocks a powerful and clear way to communicate with just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So as we wrap this up, I'm going to flip the question back to you. Now that you've seen the two-in-one power of a word like train, I want you to think about it. What's the most powerful, versatile, and simple word that you know?